two objectives that we need to satisfy. First is to differentiate linear inequalities in two variables from linear equation in two variables. Second is to translate simple mathematical statement to a mathematical inequality. Now let's go first on differentiating expressions, equations, and inequalities. Okay. Now, how can we know that the given symbol or a term is just expression, equation, inequalities? Now here, when you talk about expressions, you're talking about just alone, or like for example, any number, symbol, or a number and symbol without any equal symbol, without inequality symbol also. Just only a number and any operations as long as there has no equal symbol and inequality symbol. That is, we consider it one as expressions. Example, we have, shall we say, any number, 7. 7 is an expression. 9 at 28. It's also an expression. Shall we say, 7 plus 8 is expression. Okay? Or minus 12 is also an expression. How about symbol? Also any symbol or letter. So, shall we say, y plus 8 plus 10 minus 4. This one is also expressions. Again, it's only an expression when there has no equal symbol and there has no inequality symbol. It is just only a number or a number and a letter or a symbol without any symbol of equal or inequality. Okay? It can be a combination of any will do. Okay? Now, because in equations, when we talk about equations and inequality, we are comparing. We compare two numbers or two variables. Okay? You are saying that they are both are equal. Okay? On here and this part are equal. Unlike in inequalities, one is bigger and the other one is smaller. That is not equal here. Let's go on equations. Like for example, if I have 9. 9 is, when you talk about equation, 9 is equal to 9. It's equation. Another, shall we say, x is equal to 7. It's also equation. Shall we say, x plus 3y minus 2 equals, shall we have 12? This is equation. Why? Because there is an equal symbol. Okay? Any expressions having an equal symbol, meaning to say that is equation. Okay? Because of this. Equal symbol, that makes an equation. Now here, inequalities. Now just the same, we are comparing two expressions in which they are not equal. Like for example, 9 is less than 20. Okay? 9 is less than 20, so you are comparing two numbers or two expressions. One is less than and the other is greater. And when you are going to have a variable, shall we say, m is greater than or equal to 20. This is inequality because they are not equal. Okay? Another, shall we have y plus z is less than 6. This is inequality. Again, inequalities having two expressions comparing which are not equal. Comparing those two expressions which are not equal. One is greater and the other one smaller. Unlike in equation, two expressions compare two expressions which are equal. Okay? They are equal. Expression just alone. No need to compare because it's just alone. When you are going to say 9 plus 1, done. You will not say 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. That's not any more expression. Okay? just alone. Okay. Now, okay, let's continue. Now, how can we know that equation has two variables? Just the same. This one has two variables. Inequalities has two variables. This one has two variables. This one just having no variables. This one's one variable. Okay, x one variable. Okay. Now let's go on the next thing. Translating. Okay, how to translate? Like for example number 1. Let's read. In grade 8 Burgos, the number of male M students is less than the number of female F students. So, how to translate it one? So, you are saying that the variable here is M students, is less than to the number of female F students. So, therefore, M is less than here. Okay? M is less than F. That's how you compare. How about example number 2? Okay? To pass the subject, the student must obtain a grade G of at least 75 on the final rating. So, meaning to say, at least, so, here, it would be, it can be 75, the grade can be 75 or greater than or equal to 75. Okay?